welcome to Diamond Painting with Cats and Dogs here. Helen, I have a unboxing of a Chuck Penson Diamond Art Club round. Got this at Hobby Lobby's for $9.49 on clearance. It is Space for Reflection by Chuck Penson, 55 centimeters by 74 centimeters. It is a round. And on this side shows you the full coverage. It's 44 colors, 2 ABs, total diamonds are 51,093. On the back gives you the content. It gives you how to diamond paint, all here. And then here it shows you some of their tools. So there's a tray, the wax, the pen, and your canvas. So let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, empty. Ouch. So you got your canvas and your drills here, your toolkit, and we got some other stuff. So here's your sticker that you can use for your logbook, put on your box, whatever you like to do. It gives you the name of the canvas and by whom, the shape, and the size. Here it gives you a warranty and life insurance card. So you just have to scan the barcode or go on here and register it, and you got a lifetime. So if anything happens, they will replace it. If you run out of anything, they will replace them. And in the toolkit, get a blue pen with a single pencil and a blue squishy and 2 wax hearts. Always remember to take the plastic off before trying to use it. And a 4-placer. And that's it. Some baggies in a tiny toy. Let's set this aside. Come on. Get out of my way. We get to the fun stuff. Got your dust cover. And then open the up. Okay, it does have the lines for your perforated edges here, 44 colors. And let's do this backwards. Let's go backward, roll it up. So get it to lay flat for us. I actually already did this one. But for the price of what I paid and the price I had at clearance, it was so worth buying it. Okay, so here is your legend and sticker. Space for Reflection by Chuck Penson, your start date, your end date. Here is a picture. And then you got rounds, and it is a 74 centimeters by 55 centimeters. Has 2 ABs. That aside, and then you get the step-by-step instructions. Thank you for the purchase, tips and tricks, how to diamond paint, 10% off your next purchase. And on the back just gives you their website. This side. And here is your drills, which does tell you the name, so it does match the canvas. Let's pull this up here. Nice and sticky. As you see, they have perforated on here, and they actually have red or pink. I'm colorblind apparently, so you know where they're at. You have a legend down here. Here is the information for a lifetime canvas protection warranty. Here in the middle are all your media plus 10% off your next order. Down here is your pasting area, the name of the drawing, the size of the drawing, and the name of the artist. Here is a legend on the other side, and on the top is Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And let's see here. It's actually really pretty. But like I said, I have this one. I haven't done it yet, but I do have this one. And it's a nice size one. I'll do a little show here. It's a little, it's a nice one. Let's get in the drill here. Okay, so, thank you. We have two 414, which are gray, a 415, which is a lighter gray, two 318, which is a medium gray, 938, a brown, 413 is a green, two 337, which is a brown, 317, two of them, gray. Come on. It's giving me probs. 890, green. A burgundy, 814. 318 is a green. A light gray, 3024. 815 is the burgundy mauve color. 3861. Black, 310. 321, a red. 739, a cream color. Get these out of our way. And then we have two more here. Okay. 779, which is a purple. 699, which is a green. 3860. 300, 904, 3782, 301, 947. I like that orange. And our last but not least, 743, 42, 208, 3837, 905. This is here's our two ABs. They're right next to each other. 132 and 141, white and orange. And then we will go through and find those after we're done. 379, 841, 740, 900, 336, 3770, and 3829. So let's see what. Let's see what we got here. So we have some twos in here, which are the whites. Where else do we have some? We have some whites here in the sky. Here in the trees is some of the orange. Some here. And let's see. The sky here, we have some of the white here in this cloud. That's about it. So it's really nice. It's a nice canvas. It's a nice chunk pencils is my favorite. I don't know how many I have of him actually, and I just love the cabins and the lakes and the waters. It's just so peaceful, and just when you have the mountains in the background. Sorry about that. I was trying to get it to lay a little flatter, and it didn't work for that. Well, I guess it did. It just still has some little bit of rivers. But do a little pan view. I hope you like the drawing. Like I said, just give a review. If you've done S1 and you liked the turnout, or if the drills wasn't what you expected, or anything, just let us know. We'd like to know. We'd like to hear you guys' comments. We take everything in consideration that you guys say and try to better ourselves with that. And again, please like, subscribe, and thank you for coming back. And if you're new, welcome. Should have said that at the beginning, but I am off 100% backwards. Bye.